Lisa is the only person I know that would bring a full bucket of water with her to wash her hair in the car. Like, who does that?
I do!
Lisa.
Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to another day in the life of vlog. If you're new here, hello and welcome to you, girl. My name is Anissa, and in today's vlog, you guys, we got a lot of things going on. I am actually already headed to my first stop today. I just dropped Rylan off at my mom's house. It was a crazy night, you guys. Rylan didn't go to sleep. Like, her sleeping schedule is so off right now. I'm trying my best to get it on track, but we cut her down to one nap a day, and we're good when she does a one nap a day. But now she's doing one nap a day, and she's still not sleeping through the night. Like, she's still waking up. So we're gonna have to cut it to 0 naps now. But Lord Jesus, you guys, it's been crazy, busy, hectic. I know I haven't touched bases with you guys in a long time. I apologize, you guys. You guys are hitting me up on Instagram like, what's going on? Are you not doing YouTube anymore? No, sis, I am doing YouTube. I just had to get my life together, you guys. Like, I know you guys will understand. There is times in people's lives where, you know, they have to do things that are best for their family, and I hit one of those times. I had to do what was best for my family at that time, so I had to take a little time off. But your girl is back, okay? We are back. We are getting things done, you guys. But anyways, enough jibber jabbering, rambling about that. Let me tell you guys what I got going on today. I'm on my way to my first stop. We have a sponsored post that I'm doing for Instagram, so I am on my way to the location to get that done. I'm not sure when this vlog is going to be up and when that sponsored content is going to be up, so I'm not going to tell you who it is just yet, but I will tell you that I am on my way to get a facial right now. That's all I can really say. But I'm going to take you guys along with me into my facial. That's gonna be the first stop of the day. Then your girl is finally getting a haircut, you guys. I don't know if you remember, but in the last date night vlog that I did with Ryan, I was telling you guys I might have to take a trip to Dallas. Well, I'll have to take a trip to Dallas. The girl is coming to Los Angeles. She is here, and my sister and I are gonna go get our haircut today. So we're gonna spend a little quality sister-ish time together. Some much needed sister time. We haven't done that in a very long time, so it should be fun. I have a couple of business appointments as well. So yeah, it's a busy day, but anyways, let's go ahead and get the day started. Let me stop jibber jabbering, rambling. But if you are not already subscribed to the channel, sis, subscribe to the channel. And if you have not already hit that like button, I mean, girl, why would you wait? Okay, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's get the day started. Okay, you guys, so I've been at the spa for some time now. I just finished up my facial, and oh my gosh, you guys, you tell me, but I feel amazing. I think my skin looks amazing. She did an incredible job. I have not had a facial in like 11 years, you guys, so I love it. I'm gonna have to fix my eyelash. My glue's in the car, but I think my skin looks so good. Let me move over here in the light so you guys can see the glow. Feels so good. And no makeup today, you guys. I don't even want it. I don't even want to take away from this glow that she just gave me. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. But okay, let's go ahead. I gotta stop admiring myself for a minute and get this work done. Okay, y'all, so your girl's running a little late. You know how I am, procrastinating always.
A little, y'all. A lot.
I'm a mom. It happens, okay? Anyways. We are in the car. Me and Tasha are in the car.
On our way, y'all. Ooh, I look a mess. Don't do too much.
We both look
Lisa's hair
crazy.
still look cute because she ain't washed hers.
We both look crazy. Anyways. It's an hour and a half in between our appointment time, you guys. So Tasha's gonna go first and then I'm gonna go second. So I have some time in between to do a couple of things. I have to wash my hair, y'all. I have a whole bucket of water.
I'm over here holding a whole bucket of water in between my legs.
I have a whole bucket of water in the car just because I told you guys about what happened with Rylan last night. She didn't stay asleep, so of course I didn't wake up on time. And I didn't get my shower in to wash my hair, so we're gonna do it the old-fashioned way, okay? We got a bucket of water that I'm gonna dip my head in. I run my conditioner, my brush to comb my hair out and dip it back in the water to rinse that thing real quick.
Y'all, Lisa is the only person I know that would bring a full bucket of water with her to wash her hair in the car. Like, who does that?
I do!
Lisa does that.
I make a way. That's the whole thing, y'all. I make a way.
You make it happen.
Either way, I am going to make it happen, okay? I've been waiting for this haircut. We've been waiting for these haircuts.
Y'all, we stocked this page for months before we got these appointments.
They know. I told them on the other vlog with Ryan.
Yeah,
I was ready to fly to Dallas, okay?
Yeah, we was like, we can't get a flight if she don't come next month. We sure did.
So we are on the car. I just wanted to update you guys really quick. I gotta get back on my vlogging tip, okay? No days off now. We are on our way to get our hair cut. I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like, but I'll probably be back in touch with y'all before while I'm washing my hair in the car.
Yeah, you gotta show them.
So you can see the process.
You have to.
It's the first time for everything, y'all. It's the first time for everything.
Wait, but she had the nerve to bring warm water too, and we gotta travel an hour. This water is not gonna be warm in an hour.
It's not gonna be warm, but it's not gonna be cold. So I did what I had to do, okay?
You did what you had to do because y'all, these appointments was not cheap.
Yeah,
the down payment, the deposit wasn't cheap, and the appointment ain't cheap. So yeah, we ain't missing these.
Nope.
If I gotta help her scrub a dub her scalp, that's what's gonna happen.
All right, y'all.
Bye.
Okay, y'all, so we made it. Tasha already went in. I'm sorry, but I wasn't able to show you guys what I did with my hair, but your girl did what she had to do, and I did it with a quickness because my hair has to be fully dried in order for her to cut it. And we are just about almost there, and I still have a lot of time. So it's only 12:13. We made it 10 minutes before Tasha's appointment, so she already went in. But parking is horrible, you guys. There's nowhere to park. I have to park on this little back street. So anyways, we made it. I'm about to go in. I'll show you guys what it looks like when we get in there. Okay, you guys, this is the haircut. It took me a while. We had to get back towards the house. It was just so much traffic and stuff. Couldn't get you guys on camera, but this is the new do, y'all. It's shorter. It's shorter than what your girl was aiming for, but it was just so many dead ends and damage to my hair. I haven't had a haircut in 10-11 years, you guys, so it was definitely worth it. The girl, she did her thing, okay? She is good at what she does. She recommended a whole bunch of products, and you guys, this is why I haven't given you the curly hair tutorial, because I knew my products were going to change, okay? I knew they were going to change, so that's why I wanted to wait until after the haircut. But now you guys have something to look forward to. My sissy, this is her haircut right there.
Hey, y'all.
First
Yeah.
one, the one from the chicken stars is gonna be 10:31.
Okay.
So we both definitely end up big chopping, y'all, because the split ends
I don't know
was.
which one goes to which, but here are both drinks.
Okay, thank you. This one's mine. We're here getting food, you guys, because
We are
sister haven't
starving.
ate all day. I needed some food. Tasha needed some food.
Okay,
so
my head hurts. I'm trying to get my straw.
Oh, sorry. I'm opening the straw. Thank you. And here's for the second one.
So yeah, y'all, it was a fun experience. It was a good experience. It was a little shocking cutting all that hair, but
Yeah.
it was worth it.
Seeing it drop to the floor, y'all.
It was worth it though, y'all. It was worth it.
I feel good though. I feel good.
I do
Thank
too.
you so much.
Okay.
There's that.
Thank you.
But yeah, you guys, Ryan hasn't seen it yet. I'm thinking I'm probably gonna get his reaction. We'll see. I want to see what Ryland's gonna say. Let's.
6 stars in the crisp cup.
Thank you. Let's get Ryland's reaction too when she sees mommy. She's at my mom's right now, so
How you think she gonna react?
I don't know. She might say, "Mommy, your hair."
Cause she was looking at me crazy as heck, y'all, earlier when we had to have it with no product, just fresh wash. She was looking like, Auntie, what's going on?
You guys mind just reporting to the front?
No problem. Can we have barbecue sauce
And a lot of ketchup.
and ketchup? Thank you so much. Got to get this food right, y'all. I'm hungry. I'm about to get a fry. Shoot.
Okay.
Okay, why it take so long? They said, can you pull around?
I got the same thing,
No,
y'all.
you got a large.
Oh, I did get a large.
So,
I thought you got a large.
I did, huh?
Yeah,
I did get a large.
you did.
But you
Ooh,
got-
it's fresh though. I can smell it.
Look, you got 9 piece.
Yeah, I did. I got 9 because I wanted to give Noe some. He gonna want some.
I'm being stingy. I don't plan on
Okay, we
sharing.
were supposed to be eating in the car, but
Mom called. Mama called and was like, they waking up from their nap and I'm here by myself.
Okay.
So we gotta go get the kids. But yeah, you guys, good overall experience. I'm thinking I'm gonna go after I drop Tasha off later on tonight. I think I'm gonna go get a wax. I might be able to take you guys along with me,
Oof.
but it really depends if this girl can fit me in her schedule or not. So, but I need it. So, but yeah, you guys, I will touch base with you guys in a little while. Yeah.
Bye.
She looked like somebody's grandma. That's a compliment, though, wasn't it?
What do you think?
It's good. It's definitely different. I'm used to the longer curly hair. It has bounce to it.
Do you like it or you don't like it?
You look older for sure.
I don't have any makeup on either.
It's not my favorite. Just put it like that. It's not my favorite style.
Okay.
What's up, Mama?
Ik brush my teeth.
You brushing your teeth.
Well, that sucks. That definitely sucks, but okay.
Yeah, it looks.
Ryan doesn't like it. Jojo said I look like somebody's grandma. Ryan doesn't like it. Wonderful. That's great. That's great. So, yeah. You guys got the reaction, first reaction right there. It's not the best reaction, but. All right, you guys. If I end up going to get a wax, I'll bring you guys along. But until then, I will see you guys in a little while. Okay, you guys, so I just got to the wax center for my wax appointment. I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that right now. I did end up keeping my appointment for today, but yeah, you guys, I'm just a little bit I don't know, I'm not down because I am happy with my haircut, but I just wish Ryan would love it as much as I do, but that's how relationships work. You know what I mean? What he loves, I might not love, and what I love, he might not love. So yeah, you guys, but I did make it to my wax appointment. Wish me luck. My first time getting waxed by somebody else, so pray for your girl, okay? I will let you know how it goes once I get done. Okay, you guys, so I made it home. I've been home for a little while now. As you can see, I've got it completely comfortable. Your girl got her bonnet on, okay? Bonnet on, switched my clothes, got me a little grown-up juice, some wine. I'm drinking some Stella Rosa. And yeah, you guys, I went ahead and I got my wax. My baby is here. Say hi, baby.
Hi.
I went and got my wax at the European Wax Center, you guys. Shout out to Monica at the Granada Hills location. She was amazing and wonderful. She made my first time easy. She had me in and out of there in no time. And just so you guys know,
And I touched my stuff.
yeah, if you are a first-time client at the European Wax Center, no sponsorship,
And I
y'all.
touched my stuff.
Okay, if you're a first-time
And I
client,
touched
baby,
my
baby, let me talk, okay? If you're a first-time client at the European Wax Center, you get 50% off of your first service. So that was amazing. I walked in thinking I was gonna pay one price, and I walked out paying still the same price, but that's only because I got a body polish, like an exfoliant for my hoo-ha area that I got waxed. So, yes, baby.
You see my hair?
So anyways, you guys,
It's
it's
in my
been a long day
my
of pampering, much needed pampering. Very much
Don't go
needed.
Gigi.
Okay, a very much
I'm
needed
going to go
maintenance day.
and Gigi.
Okay, a very much needed maintenance
And
day, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna end the vlog here or if I'm gonna continue it on tomorrow. I haven't made up my mind yet. I don't know how much footage I have, but stop, baby. But if I don't, I wanted to say thank you guys for watching and tuning in and supporting your girl always. We love you guys. If you have not already, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Give it a like, because I mean, sis, why would you wait? Okay. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because we would love to have you join a part of our YouTube family that we got going on here. And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.
Bye, guys.